be eliminated in the group stage. The action is live. Hello, wherever you happen to be. Welcome to Catalonia. Welcome to Barcelona. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone. And sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And Barcelona will desperately try to avoid the ignominy of being knocked out before we get to the Champions League last 16. It's Barcelona, and they face Dynamo Kiev.
Well, Derek, up to...
Might be a chance here. In it goes! That will do nicely for starters. First goal of the game. And back underway. 1-0 it is. Difficult to stop him. Chance to play it in. Mikola Shaparenko. Will it happen for them? This could square the game. Fantastic work to thwart the danger. And it's a quality pass. Significant block from Piqué, and a goalkeeper in great form.
And he's just pulled off an absolutely stunning save there. That is brilliant.
Now sending it in. Well, he failed to get it away properly. Can they get in behind them? A wonderful intervention. A good effective pressure high up the pitch. Good work to win it back high up the pitch. Big chance to get them on terms. Well, that was a gilt-edged opportunity for the equaliser.
Well, I'm not sure how he's missed the target from there. That's a poor effort.
Araujo. Dest. Well-timed tackle. Fruitful looking attack. And a chance to whip it in here. Can he finish this? And still a chance. And just failing to bend the run enough. And the flag has been raised. Not the pass he had in mind. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Space afforded him. Mikola Shaparenko. And Sigankov has it. Wonderful chance. He's blocked it. Well, they did have the ball, but not anymore. And space to attack. So a throw in here. De Peña. Now, when you take the throw in, you're not then supposed to get caught offside.
Well, that's ridiculous. That should never happen.
Depay. Just cutting off the supply. Serhii Sidorchuk. Oh, lovely incisive pass. A goal! Real excitement, a back-and-forth type of game. Now they're level. So in business once more, on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. De Peña. Must take the lead here. Oh, he's been denied, and they remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
Who's going to get on the end of it? Struggling to get it away. And in the end, no damage done. Now can they counter clinically? Chance to put them in front. Must score. Save, but still a chance. Finally gathered by the keeper.
Well, that's a really good recovery. He had to be smart there.
Bessedine. It's a weighted pass. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. And that pass could be troublesome. Can they get in behind them? It's there for him. This might be ideal for the counter. Defenders need to cover. And the keeper won't be complaining about that cross. Poor quality. De Jong. And we will have just one additional minute. Well, there to intercept. Oh, lovely ball. And so officially at the halfway stage, and it's rather a familiar story unfolding. And the second half of this Champions League group stage meeting is underway. Dest. Now with De Jong. Oh, that's a super ball over the top. Big chance. Decent shots, but the post getting in the way. Goal kick it is. Unable to keep the ball that time. A move of promise on the flank. And a chance to whip it in here. And the counter-attack is on, options available. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? Well, they've got players back quickly here. Vitaly Buyalski. Shot attempted. Might still be able to do a bit of damage. My goodness, that save. Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. Well, there's no getting away from it. He has been the subject of transfer speculation. Stuart, interested to know your thoughts on the matter.
Well, a figure around £20 million is what's been reported as the official bid, which I think is just about right. It's now just a matter whether they find that acceptable.
Moving the ball effectively, looking for the right moment. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Fati.
Well, this is such a good watch. Both teams have played their part in a great game with plenty of good forward play. I'm sure we'll see more goals before the end.
Beautifully weighted ball. He continues his run. And the cross not quite imaginative enough. Bodies forward and the break looks on. They need to get bodies back. And space to cross it. Well, real difficulty keeping the ball. Well, this is the home of live football, and we have more action from La Liga coming up for you. It's Barcelona versus Celta Vigo.
That looks a really entertaining game. Two good teams with two excellent coaches. I can't wait for that one to come round.
There to win it back. And after that... That fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. There to take it away. "20 minutes remaining. The verdict is offside here. Depay. Wonderful tackle. And scope for them to produce something exciting. Long way out this. Well, in actual fact, it ended up being a simple claim for the keeper. Eccentric goalkeeping. And he's in. Oh, a goal! They've taken full advantage of a dreadful mistake by the goalkeeper. Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. De Peña. This looks promising. And possibilities here. Could be troublesome. Just made sure nothing came of that. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. So the corner played into the box. Well, the corner too close to the goalkeeper that time. Barca maintain possession, advantage. This could be it. It's still alive. And thumped away.
Well, Barcelona are doing everything but score here, and they must be inspired by the support they're getting. These fans have been excellent.
And that pass could be troublesome. It's still alive. Oh, chance taken. There is opportunism for you, but a disappointed goalkeeper.
Well, here it is again, and the striker does everything right, hitting it across the goalkeeper, making it difficult for him. and then a player coming in for the rebound. What a good goal it is. Everything right from the striker's point of view.
So back underway at 3-1. And we've entered the final 5 minutes. Vitaly Buyalski. A very effective clearance. Serhii Sidorchuk. And he read it well, intercepting it. 2 minutes of stoppage time coming up. Take it away. Well, it could be on for him here. There it is! Victory more or less guaranteed now. And there it is, the final whistle, encouragement for them, and the hopes of getting out of this group are still alive. Hello everyone, it tends to rain quite a bit in this part of Spain, but an intriguing region, Galicia, and we're here in the city of Vigo. I'm Derek Ray, ready here on the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfielder Stuart Robson. And the focus is on one of the finest leagues in world football, La Liga. It's Celta Vigo facing Barcelona.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
And the keeper won't be complaining about that cross. Poor quality. This is looking threatening. Teammate available. Able to close down the shot. Cleared away comprehensively. There to take it away. Well, as we glance at the table, it really is shaping up to be a captivating season, highly competitive, especially at the summit.
Well, what a great title race this looks like being. Yes, there's a long way to go, but it's difficult to split these teams at the moment. Let's hope I'm right.
Opportunity to deliver the cross. Well, the referee has reached for his pocket early on here. Well, straight into the meat of the penalty area. And a goal! Using his head in more ways than one to help the cause. Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Sergio Roberto. Ricky Puig. Well, there to intercept. Barca maintain possession, advantage. It's a perfect challenge. Well, he's got plenty of space on the flank here. And options in the centre. Hugo Mayo. Real chance. High degree of difficulty to hit it on the volley like that, and it was close.
Well, his skill level is so high, you're absolutely right. That's a great effort on the volley.
Sergio Roberto. Garcia. Ricky Puig. Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. A wonderful intervention. Well, an easy one to cut out, really. And that pass could be troublesome. Just needs to stay calm. There it is, 2 to the good now, and that gives them a buffer. So 2-0 now. Ricky Puig. Well, not the greatest pass, easily intercepted. Oh, the threat is there. Now he must favour the cross. Can he take the chance? Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done. Well, you've got to say, an incredible first-half performance. That scoreline tells you all you need to know. Longley. Sergio Roberto. Dembele on the ball. Showing good defensive judgment. Showing excellent vision. He might be able to make it through. My goodness, that save. Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. He's driven in the corner. It hasn't come to very much. And Aubameyang saw his pass gobbled up. Well, he's outplayed and outthought him. Orbelín Pineda. Iago Aspas. And the keeper did magnificently.
Well, that's just a wonderful save. How did he stop that?
Playing it in. And using his strength to shield the ball. Well, it wasn't a great header, in all fairness. And a goal kick it is.
Well, those stats back up what we've been watching. It's been a really one-sided game. And it's far too easy for them to open up this defence. This could turn into a rout.
And unable to keep possession. An unforced error, you've got to say. And the pass could do damage. Making progress. Really sound defending. Clean challenge. Aubameyang giving it a try. And it's come off the keeper. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. Well, normally one who dazzles, Ousmane Dembele, but less so today, Stuart.
Yeah, he's not played well, has he? He's just failed to have an impact here. Mind you, I think we could...
Sergio Roberto. Eric Garcia. Passes like that, very much in his repertoire. Adama. And giving it away. And intercepting it. Oh, what's he gone and done? An exciting La Liga match in prospect here on EA TV. It's Celta Vigo against Villarreal.
Well, the fixtures are coming thick and fast. It should be a good game, that. Hopefully I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
And breaking at pace with menace. Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing in the end. Well, there is a very alert goalkeeper for you. Fran Beltran. Dangerous looking through ball. Far from a good pass. Aubameyang. And possession lost by Barcelona. Hugo Mayo. That's a well-struck pass. Renato Tapia. Santi Mina. He'll take this on. And still an opportunity. And the corner's been given. And they will make the change now. Delivering it. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Well, they can keep possession now. Dembele. Dembele. Cross towards that far post. Well, he had a decent reading of that ball in. And that's easy peasy for the keeper. Eccentric goalkeeping. Aubameyang. The goal from Aubameyang, such a prolific scorer. No shortage of goals in this match, 3-1. Joseph Aidu. Fran Beltran. Iker Losada. And a creative look about this. Orbelin Pineda. A fine block. Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball? 20 minutes remaining. Weighted ball from Aubameyang. Big opportunity. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV. Delighted that you're with us and hope very much you'll join us for this match coming up.
I like the look of that game. The atmosphere is always good inside that stadium, and two very good teams.
Really nice ball. Well, the decision... is offside, and he's bound to be a bit disappointed.
Well, he's actually made his run before his teammate had control of the ball, and that's why it's offside.
Frankie de Jong. There to take it away. Orbelin Pineda. Bodies forward and the break looks on. And he's made headway. Can they slot it home? And I think the threat has been averted. Space on the flank. Crossed into the penalty area. And the ball is loose. In it goes! It looked as though they were down and out. Not a bit of it. What will happen next? You can't really say defences are on top. 3-2. And he's broken free. Oh, can you believe this? Back from the brink and wild celebrations on the touchline.
Well, just look at this again. He's so hard to knock off the ball once he gets going. Of course the defending could be better, but that's a great individual goal.
So back underway, and there we have it. 6 goals divided evenly. Pineda. And still on the lookout for the goal that could be so important at this juncture. And the problem not completely solved. Oh, and a perfect ball now. How about this? And he favours the inside route. Dembele. And that's gone out of play for what will be a goal kick. And they're making a change. If you're wondering about stoppage time, 1 minute to be added on. So the final whistle here and a draw for Barcelona. How do you think they played?
Well, Derek, I think you have to say it's a point game, don't you? Far from the easiest game, but they kept fighting until the very end, believing that they would get another chance, and it's probably the fair result in the end.
Already no opportunity to deliver the cross. Well, the referee has reached for his pocket early on here.